Behind you, man. Hopefully you can hear me. I still don't have the windscreen on my microphone, but Monday afternoon. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but either way, we gotta get home after a long, productive day of work. So currently, we need to get to the bike shop because I have a busted spoke on the new ride. Just being silly, and I messed it up. So what we got to do is get to Bicycle Habitat because 718 is not open today. Today is Monday. They are no longer open on Sunday and Mondays. This will be my first time actually getting service on any bike from a shop not 718 since I moved to Brooklyn. This guy's gonna let all these people walk in front, isn't he? He didn't. To my surprise, he did not. Anyway, we gotta get to Bicycle Habitat today. Roughly 3 miles to get there. Maybe 4 miles. I'm still riding without toe clips. Lady's taking a sweet ass time. I wish she got the light, but whatever. Guy had his right turn signal and didn't turn. All right. So yes, I still have not shown the bike, I know. So I did a video this morning. I don't know if I'll probably do this video or upload this video first. Garbage pickup in the evening. That's what's causing the issue. We got the light. The light is just starting to blink, so maybe we could get him. Another garbage truck up, and yes, we could get this guy here, but we won't. We'll just stop. Cannot believe how warm it is. Let's take our time with these guys. They might pull left or right out of nowhere. Hey, how are you?
Not bad, yourself?
I'm alright. Busted a spoke on the back wheel.
Yeah, go straight and then go left and a left.
Alright, thanks.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on? Lost tension in one of my spokes.
You lost tension?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take a look at it.
It's gotta go down.
Adios. Yeah.
This one right here.
Okay. We'll take a look at it.
Alright, cool.
This be $15.
Okay. Alright. Spoke is fixed. I'm in high gear. Alright, let's just what is this guy doing? Let's just cruise up to the park. All right, here's the bike. Here we are. Shimano 105s, 50-34 in the front, 11, I think 32 in the back. Carbon fiber frame, carbon fiber fork, seat post, I think is also carbon, not the stem or the handlebars, which is fine. So next thing I need will be some carbon rims. I'm using these extraordinarily flat pedals, not even toe clips because my toe clips pedals messed up. The new one should be in tonight. And yeah, this thing has been a real nice ride. I really enjoy it. All right, well, guess I'll roll home and keep going through the park. It's a nice day today. Not a whole lot of people out today, but pretty nice. It's says 82. It definitely has cooled down since leaving Manhattan, and I think a thunderstorm is coming sooner than later. Okay, guess we shall roll. There we go, daily 30 flat. All right, thank you. Excuse me? Yes. Thank you.
Brother, let me ask you a question. Sorry, I got a GoPro camera. Where you get that thing to put on your GoPro?
Amazon. Just look like GoPro bike helmet strap. Go on Amazon or eBay.
Okay, that's how much you have it for?
Like 10 or 15.
So the GoPro,
Bicycle helmet strap.
okay, bicycle.
Yeah. Yep.